Hey everyone. If you can't log into Behance in 2026, like wrong password, loading issues, or login not working, don't worry. I'll show you how to fix Behance login problem step by step. First, open Behance and make sure your email and password are correct. Even small typing mistakes can block login. Next, if you forgot your password, click on Forgot Password and reset it. Then try logging in again. Now remember, Behance is connected to Adobe, so sometimes you need to sign in using your Adobe account instead. After that, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can sometimes prevent login from working properly. Next, try using another browser like Chrome or Firefox. Browser issues are very common. Now, disable VPN or extensions like ad blockers. They can interfere with login requests. After that, check your internet connection. Unstable internet can stop the login process. Finally, try logging in using incognito mode. This removes cache and extension conflicts. So yeah, that's how you fix Behance login problem in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you should be able to access your account again. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more design troubleshooting tutorials for beginners.